let's talk about this joint. It's right next to the ear canal. So I want you to try this. It sounds silly, it sounds crazy, but bear with me if you have joint problems. And that is, if you push the pad of your little finger, thumb pointing down, so that you can feel this area of the skull, and go ahead and close down on your back teeth, not your front teeth, but your back teeth. Okay? You may be feeling a lot of pressure from this joint. You may be feeling very little pressure from this joint. You may be feeling a click. No tell, everybody's different, so I can't say what you're feeling. But if you really feel it's really pushing hard, you can pretty well be assured you have a compressed TMJ, which is a TMJ joint. Now, when it's compressed and pushed back, there's a little disc that sits on top of it. And what happens to that disc is it is squeezed off and it gets in front of the condyle. And when it's in front of the condyle, it's kind of like a stick in front of a wheelchair. It's going to make that jaw go to that side. So when you open, you're going to come to this side like so. Okay, now, what do you do about it? There are different camps, different philosophies, but I want you to just start thinking about this. Now, go ahead and put your finger back in here and come and bring your teeth forward, like so, where you're biting on end to end on these teeth. Notice that you can't feel that anymore. Well, what's happened? The joint has been, quote, decompressed.